Hi, I haven't seen some of you in quite a while, and I've come to a conclusion that the only way to overcome your issues with visiting classes is to make my own online channel so that you can continue your studies. I've decided to film short videos, a separate video for every case. For instance, there is a big topic, modal verbs, and their usage. So today, I'll send you a video about the could modal verb. At the end of the class, you are supposed to do some exercises, so let's get to business without further ado. So could is a modal verb that is used to express possibility or past ability as well as to make suggestions and requests. Could is also commonly used in conditional sentences as the conditional form of the word can. Examples: past abilities. When I was younger, I could stay up all night and study well next day. Son, how many chin pulls can you make? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, not too many. When I was 10, I could make 10 chins. Now I'm 51 and I can make 14 chins. When I was 49, I went to the gym very often and I could make 16 chin pulls. If you use couldn't, it's the opposite to could in this sense. So you just say the fact that something couldn't be done in the past. When I was 10, I couldn't make 14 chin pulls, but now I can. Or perhaps I still can't. Now follow the link in the description. It leads to a form which you'll have to fill out, and this is exercise number 1. So pause the video and do the exercise now. Come back here after you have completed it. The could word is also used for expressing a possibility. Imagine a traffic jam, where there is no traffic jam usually, and two people sitting in a car and wondering, why could there be a traffic jam? And one says, oh, come on, what's the matter? What could possibly happen? And the other says, I don't know. I don't know, mate. There could be a car accident. So this expresses an assumption about what could be the reason. It could be a car accident. And then again, it could be something else. It could be the police clearing the road for the president, perhaps. It could be anything. So when you say could expressing a possibility, you are merely fantasizing about a possible reason. By the way, the words could, might, and may have the same meaning in such a context. Let's get back to that traffic jam. Well, the other guy could as well answer, I don't know, mate. There may be a car accident, or there might be a car accident. We'll get back to the strength of the assumption at a later time with other modal verbs like must, should, would, and well, it's not a modal verb, but a frequently used expression ought to. Well, now you know that when you assume something without really knowing the truth, you can use the word could. Here are more examples. Where is Christina? Isn't she at her desk? Oh well, she could have gone home. Or not. Look, there is a dent on the front of the car. It wasn't there when we left for the meeting. Someone could have bumped into the car while reverse parking. In this sense, couldn't does not have the assumption meaning. Couldn't always means denial, so in the example, where is Christina? Isn't she at her desk? Oh well, she could have gone home. Nah, she couldn't have. We have a meeting at 4 p.m. she has been preparing for. Well, when you deny a possibility, you also say couldn't. You couldn't do such a thing. I don't believe it. Now pause the video and follow the link and complete exercise 2. Return here after that. Could is also used to express a possibility. It has a lot in common with assumption, remember? But the chances are much higher. For instance, heavy snow could lead to heavy traffic, which in turn could result in people running late for work. This is not just an assumption, it's a possibility. The could word is also used to give suggestions. Tomorrow's our day off. What could we do? We could watch a movie or go out to dinner. I don't know what to do with him. You could apologize perhaps. Now pause the video and complete exercise 3. Could is also used for requests in a polite form. Could you please turn the air conditioner down a little bit? The correct answer is yes, sure, and so on, but not yes, I could, because in such a construction the other person expects to hear a but after that. For instance, yes, I could, but I won't. If you don't use the word please, it might sound like a question about a possibility rather than a request. Could you turn the air conditioner down? I could, but I didn't because I'm hot. Or no, I couldn't. I didn't find the remote. Could is also used in conditional sentences. If only I didn't have to paint the house, I could go to the beach. If we had a good screwdriver, I could fix this lid in a couple of minutes. So thanks for the listening and complete the exercises and see you tomorrow.